Hey guys, Cam from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to answer those questions you may have online or in store. The question I often get asked is, what is a kettle cone and how does it work? So essentially, a kettle cone is designed for Weber barbecues as well as some smokers on the market. They're made by TB2 Smokers out of North Queensland. So it's an Australian product. It's a really awesome product, and I've had some really great success with this unit. So essentially, charcoal is poured into the top there, grill on top, and this radiates super hot heat. So you're able to do a thing called fried, not fried chicken. So you can batter your chicken and actually air fry it. It basically allows super high temps because the stainless radiates so much heat outwards. So we're looking at roughly about 600 Fahrenheit we can radiate off these grills. Like I said, they are designed mainly for Webers, but we do have the Pro Q ones in, and they're available for a lot of other units as well. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for watching and hope to speak to you soon.